G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's August 17, 2023. This is a US crude oil price update. First off on the daily, you can see here it did bounce off this key resistance at 84.40. It sort of stuck around this minor resistance at 82.21 for a number of days. Then it's finally broken through and quite significantly down to a couple of bearish candles. Now it's currently, I've drawn this Fibonacci retracement between that high and that low. Actually, that's not drawn correctly. Let me do that again. That was from the previous period. Let me do it from that point up to that high. You can see there more closely. It's just currently fluctuating around just between the 23 and the 38% level. And you'll notice the CCI is dropping off, and likewise the stochastic is also dropping off on the daily. So if it reaches and breaks beyond the 61% significantly, then we're going to be seeing a further decline, but it's far from that at the moment, and we may see a bounce. Now going to the hourly chart, you see here since our last video, it did sort of stick around just below that 61% level, but it's fallen much further, and again that was between that Fibonacci range. So it broke through the 61% level. It sort of thought about it for a while, then it finally broke through, and we're currently down near the 100% level on that Fibonacci range. You'll notice the CCI has also kept dropping, although it's a very slight drop on the lows there, but it's almost considering bouncing, so that may be a divergence forming compared to the price. And if we draw the same range, draw the same range between there to there, it's declining on the price, whereas the CCI is almost leveling out and probably going to bounce. The stochastic is still falling, so we'll wait and see if this is going to be a divergence to play out, and we'll see how it goes from there. Now if it does bounce from there, we'll most likely enter somewhere probably in that area there, close to that moving average 20 on that line there. So I'll see how that goes. We may see a bounce from there possibly, and we'll keep you up to date on the crude oil price. Now these divergence bounces don't necessarily mean a full scale reversal, they just could be a little bit of a retracement. You see there, that was a little bearish divergence versus the price. It broke down and hit that price there. It made a bit of a retrace to the upside again, but then it finally broke through. So these sometimes do that. There's another bearish divergence versus the price, came down, hit our target, then it continued to the upside. So again, this could just go up, bounce in that short range there, and then before taking further downside. But again, we'll see how that goes in the coming days. To understand how to go through some trading strategies, but also some divergence strategies, subscribe to the Patreon page where you support us more. We also do weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.